More and more firms are moving to Fuzor because we are the best VR productivity solution for the AEC industry. Let's explore why Fuzor is quickly becoming the go-to VR solution for industry leaders worldwide. The average cost of traditionally rendering your project to VR can range from thousands to hundreds of thousands of dollars per render, and production can take days, weeks, or even months to finish. Current one-click solutions offer fast visualization, but lack elements crucial to AEC productivity, and these programs can't handle the larger, more complex model files common to today's projects. That's where Fuzor comes in. Fuzor costs less than a fraction of hiring a rendering team and requires zero rendering engine knowledge to operate. And Fuzor can be used across multiple projects at no added cost. Like other one-click solutions, you can bring your files directly into Fuzor with no optimization required. Once loaded, you can view your project in VR at the click of a button, or output it to our VR-ready viewer or our Google Cardboard-ready mobile format, bringing VR turnaround time down to minutes or even seconds. Unlike other one-click products, Fuzor also functions independently as a VR design tool and 4D safety planning software. Changes to your project can be viewed immediately in VR. With the ability to bring together a wide range of authoring tools and file formats, our VR functionality provides you with the power to solve your design and construction issues quickly and to minimize issue turnaround time. On top of all that, Fuzor takes in large project files that other programs can't even touch. And our VR collaboration capabilities allow multiple users to review projects together in real time, reducing travel time and cost and increasing efficiency. It's no wonder that companies are moving to Fuzor for their VR budgeting and production needs. Why haven't you? Find out more about Fuzor on our website, or contact us with your questions or to book an online demonstration.